Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. In the hustle that we are in today, becoming aware of your breath and breathing mindfully can really help to relax your body and your mind. On an average, we take about 15 to 16 breaths per minute. That's over 20,000 breaths in a day. So the more number of breaths that you take, the faster you breathe, the more thoughts you have, and that puts your body in a constant stress or panic mode. It's trying to figure out which thought to address first. And we all know this chronic stress is never good. It leads to so many health issues. Paying attention to your breath can help you slow down and potentially reduce the pace of your breathing and number of the breaths that you take per minute by half. So for like 16 breaths, you can bring it down to about 8 breaths per minute. So the slower you breathe, the slower your thoughts, and that way your body is in a more balanced state and you're able to handle stress, you're able to respond to situations instead of reacting to situations. Of course, this is easier said than done. It sounds very simple, but it takes time, it takes practice, it takes awareness, but this can be a starting point. So let's get into today's practice. We're going to start off in a comfortable seated position. If you're not okay to sit on the floor in Sukhasana, you can also do this on your bed or on a chair. I want you to be seated comfortably. Try to keep the spine tall, palms on the knees. Throughout today's practice, tell yourself you're going to keep your eyes closed and not respond to any distractions around you. That itself takes a lot of control, and that's your first challenge for today. Let's close the eyes. Set an intention to stay focused and present for the next 10 minutes. Start to bring your awareness to your breath. Pay attention to your natural breathing. Don't change anything, don't force anything. Your natural breath has a flow, a path. As you inhale, breath enters the nostrils, passes the throat, fills the chest and the belly. As you exhale, the belly moves in. Breath comes towards the chest, passes the throat and out through the nostrils. Every inhale and exhale follows this path, and we're going to stay here for a few seconds following the natural path of the breath. I'm going to repeat the points of focus again. Inhale, nostrils, breath passes the throat, fills the chest, fills the belly. Exhale, belly moves in, breath passes the chest, the throat and out through your nostrils. Let's take a few more breaths here. Beautiful. Now, I'm going to give you a different point of focus. Your inhalations and exhalations remain as they are. Observe the temperature difference between the air going in and air coming out. So as you inhale, slightly cooler air enters the nostrils, passes the throat, the chest, reaches the belly. As you exhale, belly moves in, breath passes the chest, reaches the throat and slightly warmer air moves out of your nostrils. We're going to add another layer of focus here. So along with the path of the breath, the temperature of the breath. Air moving in versus the air moving out. Inhale, slightly cooler air moving in. Exhale, warmer air moving out. Let's spend a few seconds here, take a few more breaths, observing this change in temperature. Fantastic. Now, I want you to observe the length of your breath. How many seconds are you taking to inhale? How many seconds do you take to exhale? It will be different for all of us. So, even the number of breaths that you take per minute is different. Length of inhalation versus exhalation can be different. So, you just stay with your own practice. Count your inhales and count your exhales. Let's take 5 breaths, just observing the length of your breath. Great. Now, the next 6 to 8 breaths, I want you to take control of the breath. So, irrespective of the natural length of your inhale and exhale, for the next 6 rounds, you're going to inhale consciously for 4 to 5 seconds, exhale for 4 to 5 seconds. For some of us, it might be a challenge, we might be pushing a bit, but let's try and see how much we can do. Equal breathing, equal inhales, equal exhales. 6 breaths. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We'll add one more layer to this practice. For the next 6 breaths, you're going to inhale for 3 seconds but exhale for 6 seconds. I'm going to keep the count of 3 and 6. If some of you are comfortable with 4-second inhalation, try to make your exhalation double, 8 seconds. Okay? Or keep the exhalation longer than your inhale. So if you're doing 4 seconds in, you can do 6 seconds exhale or 8 seconds exhale. Let's give it a try. Inhale 1, 2, 3, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Completely relax your breath. Come to your natural breathing. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. For the next one, which is Chandra Bedana Pranayama, we are going to use a mudra called the Nasagra mudra. You are going to keep your index finger and the middle finger at the center of your eyebrows. I am using my right hand here. So you have your right hand, the thumb and the ring finger to regulate the breath at the nostrils. So close your eyes, place the index, middle finger tip at the center of the eyebrows. You are going to close your right nostril with the right thumb. Let's inhale through the left nostril here. 1, 2, 3. Now close the left nostril. Exhale through the right side for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left nostril. 1, 2. We'll push it to 4, 3, 4. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left. 2, 3, 4. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left. 2, 3, 4. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left. 2, 3, 4. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left. 2, 3, 4. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Release the hand, return to your natural breath. This was Chandra Bedana Pranayama. Left nostril associated with the moon energy, more calming energy, allows you to slow down. We're going to complete our practice with 6 rounds of Bhramari Pranayama. For Bhramari, you're going to inhale and exhale through the nostrils. When you exhale, you're going to make a humming sound like a bee. You want to make your humming sound nice and long. The longer the humming, the longer your exhalation, the deeper is your relaxation. Bhramari Pranayama is associated with the better production of nitric oxide in the body, which helps with better dilation of your vessels. So it really improves your breathing capacity and the circulation. So it was also highly recommended during COVID. So it's a very, very helpful, very gentle practice, very calming, great to practice before you go to bed. Also can be practiced by children. Only if you have like a ear infection or a ear block, you might want to avoid this practice. To enhance this practice a little more, you're going to take your thumbs and block your ears. So you can hear the humming a little louder, you can hear yourself louder, and the 4 fingers you're going to cup it over the head. If you want to momentarily open your eyes and see what I'm doing, you can, and then go back to eyes closed. Let's practice 6 rounds. Every time you exhale, count your exhalation, how long you're taking to exhale, and every round try to maintain the same count. Don't shorten the exhalation. Let's begin. Inhale through the nose and exhale with a humming sound. Once you're done, release your hands and come back to your natural breath. Stay in silence. Allow yourself to experience the practice. Whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes. So that was a quick pranayama practice to relax the entire body and the mind. Definitely try it out and experience how calm and quiet you feel after this practice. I will see you in the next video.